All right, Lisa, Figgy, what is it? Figgy pudding, or is that fruitcake? Who knows? Challenge accepted though. MF Cooks is gonna bring it. I can't show you the ingredients, top secret, confidential, but it will win the challenge. And John Beagle, you're going down, clown. Stay tuned. We are accepting the challenge for the Figgy pudding, or also known as the fruitcake, from Lisa in our office. And so I'm gonna change it up. We get a 25% variation of the recipe. We've got the recipe right here. So we've got strawberries. The raisins are gonna come later. Apricots, we've got some mixed fruit. We've got the cherries, the ginger. We're gonna switch out the apple juice. So the way we're gonna do it is we got all of our stuff here. I'm gonna put a little bit of bourbon from the liquor cabinet. And then we're gonna do a little Coca-Cola. Now this is gonna rehydrate overnight in the fridge. Who doesn't like a little Woodford and Coke, you know what I'm saying? Wrap overnight. Tomorrow we're gonna make it. Stay tuned. Not really a baker of sorts, although I did take a few classes in it. So we've got our butter, our brown sugar. We're gonna cream that together and then start putting our dry ingredients. So bring all that together, the wet and the dry, along with the fruit. Combine it all with some secret ingredients, which I will share with you now. Applesauce. Use applesauce if you want to make your cake moist. We're gonna use a little bit of the cocoa powder, but we're gonna put a little bit of the Nutella in to do the swirl on the cake. We're doing some vanilla, which was not in the original recipe. And we're gonna do some chocolate covered raisins. So the chocolate should obviously melt off the raisin, help to flavor the cake, give it a little bit more complexity, as well as keep the raisins in because that's part of the original recipe. We're gonna pull all this stuff together and then we're going to make some cakes. We're gonna do it a little lower, 275 for I think 2 hours. So stay tuned. All right, so we got our figgy pudding done, or ready to go in the oven at least. So we're gonna do 2 hours, maybe 2.5 hours at 375. Fingers crossed. We're gonna beat everybody. Stay tuned. Pro tip, I forgot, we're gonna put a water bath in here. That way it keeps it nice and moist on top. It's been about 2 hours at 275 with a water bath. We're gonna pull these out. They're pretty good, don't they? We're going straight into a shock freeze. Coming for you, John and Lisa. Stay tuned. All right, so these are out of the blast chiller, shock freezer. We did a shock freeze for about an hour. We're gonna put them in the vacuum seal. So next step, hang tight.